people should visit Korea because there are many things to eat, see, and enjoy. And so I get 3 tourist attractions in Korean. Seoul, Busan, Jeju. First, Seoul. A brief description of Seoul. It was capital of Korea from Joseon Dynasty and is a basin city surrounded by mountains such as Bukhansan, Gwanaksan, etc., with the Han River flowing through the center. Now I'll show you Seoul's tourist attraction. Fourth, Gyeongbokgung Place and Palace. In Gyeongbokgung, you can study history while viewing beautiful flower, and you can see Korean beautiful cultural assets too. Second, Namsan Tower. In Namsan Tower, there was small cafe and little glass skywork. It's good place for take a rest. Third, Bukchon Hanok Village. In Bukchon Hanok Village, there was a hit Korean restaurant, a hanbok shop, etc. Then I show you a second place. Second, Busan. I brief description of Busan is Korea's largest maritime city. Now I'll show you Busan tourist attractions. First, Haeundae. Haeundae is best beach in the Korea. Second, Gamcheon Culture Village. Gamcheon Culture Village is village formed by refugees during the Korean War. Third, Bomsa Temple. Bomsa Temple is located in Gangjusan, Busan. This temple is headquarters of Fourth Parish of Joey Order of Korea. And I'll show you next place. Third, Jeju. A brief description of Jeju is an island located in South Korea of Korea and the largest island in Korea. Now I'll show you Jeju's tourist attraction. First, Hanna Mountain. Hanna Mountain is symbol of Jeju Island and the central peak of Shub volcano, the highest mountain in South Korea, 1,950 meters above sea level. Second, Dragon Head Rock. Dragon Head Rock is lava rock on the west coast of Jeju. Third, Jeju Light Garden. Jeju Light Garden is representative night spot in Jeju City where you can enjoy the atmosphere of the night from sunset to midnight. Jeju is my best tourist attraction forever. It's all of my tourist attraction. Thank you for listening.